I see two main interests with this type of robot for our industry. The first one is definitely the safety for our workers. The second one will be the schedule, because we are working on program with very tight schedule, and the return to service for this kind of asset is key for our customers.
We see a lot of difficulties to find skilled resources to do the job. In terms of quality, we need to be able to demonstrate a better quality with the automatization, robotics, and this is why this technology that you are developing now is something that could be beneficial for this industry. Better control, better quality control, and remove conservatism from the codes, because if we are able to demonstrate that we can apply a pen system that is well controlled in terms of thickness, etc., this will be, in terms of quality, this will be beneficial for this industry.
The industry will change in the future due to a lack of skilled manpower, so I guess we need to update this and find skilled people, and I guess the youngest generation is really requiring a lot of digitalization and data, and also robotics are a huge topic for them. So therefore I see within Qlayers 10Q robot a really huge advantage in the market, and also well preparation for the change in the workers change in the future.